Let's continue to explore island of Oahu. In this episode, we will be discovering a diamond head crater in Oahu. And welcome back to our channel. We are Sorin and Olga, and we're trying to explore all 50 states in USA and share this experience with you guys. Diamond Head Crater is an iconic destination on the island and very popular to hike. Be aware that if you're planning to come to the park with your car, you're gonna need a reservation for the parking and for the entrance. Also, heads up, during the construction in 2025, the park is open only till 2 p.m. And for us, the last entry time was 12. Make sure be on time, otherwise they will not let you inside of the park. There is also option for the walk-ins, and what we heard, the price for that one is just $1, but you're gonna need to walk all the way from the base 35 minutes to the parking lot. If this destination on your bucket list, I definitely recommend you to visit their website and check the updates on the current situation. And also, I will leave the link down below in the description so you can check it out for the reservations. For us, it was $10 per vehicle and $5 per person as not Hawaii residents. We are ready for the hike. Hike of the day is Diamond Head Volcano Crater. You need to have a reservation if you want to park here and enter, so do that just a few days before to make sure you have a time slot. Also, they're doing some kind of construction right now, so the last entry was showing like 12 p.m. So make sure be there before this time.
Yep. Listen to her.
There you go. We have a visitor center. Make sure to grab your water and also use the restroom, as there will be no facilities during the hike. This crater was formed about 300,000 years ago, and that's so cool that we're gonna be hiking it. Round trip distance approximately 1.8 miles and elevation gain about 500 feet. Here you go, you see? I told you so. This trail was constructed in 1908 as a part of Oahu defense system. The hike will take you approximately 1 hour to complete. I should have energy, I just had acai bowl. It's hot. Most of the path is paved and there will be several staircases and also switchbacks along the way. And I'm not a smoker. A few more switchbacks and to the yellow stairs. This hike offers a beautiful views of the crater, Honolulu, Waikiki, and the beautiful Pacific Ocean. Safe viewing platform to see inside of the crater, and continue to the top. Okay, we made it to the first staircase and first traffic jam.
More stairs. She doesn't want to take it easy. Yeah.
You will be passing through historic tunnels and bunkers, leading to the summit of the volcanic top cone. Oh wow, those soldiers had pretty nice view every day. Just look at the color of the water, it's looked unreal. Once you're on top, be ready that there will be a lot of people, as this is extremely popular destination in Oahu. As you can see, unfortunately this hike is not handicap friendly. And also no pets are allowed, only service animals. Hey guys, so we made it on top of the Diamond Crater hike and the views are gorgeous. And that's just worth all of the stairs and steps. I think after that we're gonna go to the beach. And just like that, your hard-working hike was rewarded with these beautiful and stunning views. Blue sky, blue water of the ocean, and probably you could see some whales in the distance, but we didn't grab our binoculars this time. No wonder this place is so attractive to the tourists, as it's really beautiful. And just like that, the rain started. The way down was much easier, and with this refreshing rain was cool as well. Again, stairs. We just came from... Oh, so we don't need to take the same.
So I was going up the stairs, I was going down the stairs.
Yay, we made it down. High five. Okay, full report.
Full report. Almost 2 miles, 1.98, 1 hour 3 minutes. It was
Elevation gain? It's not. Okay, we made it back to the parking, and the hike was a little bit challenging. So get ready, make sure you have plenty of water, sun hat and sunscreen. Okay guys, thank you so much for staying with us on this challenging but definitely rewarding hike in Diamond Head Crater. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video, as that means a lot to us. And we're gonna see you on the next one. Bye!